For those of you that are cruising in Europe and arriving in Spain, I have some very good news for you. There is a new up-and-coming cruise port called Tarragona. It's located about 60 miles from Barcelona, a short drive, and the region of Tarragona is geographically appealing for cruisers and for cruise lines for reasons such as there is so much to see in the region. First of all, Tarragona has a very deep history. Reyes, Port Aventura, one of the largest amusement parks in the world, is based right here in Salo. And the beauty of Tarragona is that, you can fly into Barcelona, you can take a taxi or a bus to the port, and it's only about an hour and a half drive. You can explore the region pre and post cruise. I had the opportunity and the privilege to actually spend some time with the president of the Port of Tarragona and his colleagues to explain the growth, and it is fantastic. Cruise ships are not only calling upon Tarragona as a port of call, but for example, MSC in the next couple months are using Tarragona as a home port, which means you can fly into Barcelona, or you can even fly into Reyes. There's an airport in Reyes, which is even closer to the Port of Tarragona, and cruise out the region and come back, and it's a very convenient way to cruise. The port is not as congested as some of the other ports in Spain, and I highly recommend it. I was super impressed with the facility, and Global Ports Holding is the partner to the Port of Tarragona, and they are a powerhouse in the industry. They control many of the ports worldwide, and they are developing a beautiful terminal in the next year or so that will be situated here at the Port of Tarragona to accommodate. So I highly recommend, if you are cruising to Europe, consider cruising to and from Tarragona. You won't be disappointed.